Hi, how are you? Matt Watson here from CarWow. So I'm sitting in the new Volkswagen Golf R and next to me is my very own BMW M3 Competition and we're going to have a drag race. Let me tell you about both these cars. This Golf, as well as having four-wheel drive and a launch control system, it's got a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine. It puts out 320 horsepower and 420 newton meters of torque. Drives all four wheels via a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox. Weighs in at 1,550 kilos and starts from £40,000. That BMW starts from £75,000, though mine with the extra bits of kit on it, £87,000. That has a 3-litre straight-six twin turbo engine with 510 horsepower and 650 newton meters of torque. It's rear wheel drive only, that version, though you can get a 4-wheel drive version of the M3, and it's got an 8-speed torque converter automatic gearbox, so no dual clutches, though it does still have a launch control mode. In terms of the weight, that comes in at 1,730 kilos. Anyhow, before we drag race, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. That's enough sales nonsense, isn't it? Oh, there is one more bit of sales nonsense, and it's this bit.
Buying a new car? Then head to CarWow and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. CarWow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
Before we race, let's do the customary CarWow sound check. So I'm going to rev up the engine on this. Let's you rev it all the way up to 6. Love that. Eco tip, do not depress the accelerator when stationary. Error, stop-start system. Didn't like that, did it? Anyway, this one has the Akrapovic exhaust on it, and if I rev it right, I should get some pops and bangs. You have to tease it out of it. And it's good. Like drums in the background. Go on, rev up the M3. Nice. Which do you like the sound of the best? Straight six howling or this popping and banging? Let me know in the comments. Let's race.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's close off the line, but he's bloody motoring now. Oh my God, what a difference. Oh, that got the launch. Wow. I think that's pretty clear.
Yeah, this hooked up really good. That was a good launch. I don't think that Golf beats this.
No, it doesn't. Oh well.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the BMW won, completing the standing quarter mile in 11.7 seconds, while the Volkswagen took 12.7 seconds.
Right, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The car's in comfort setting. I'm going to call it in. 3, 2, 1, go. Kick down, kick down, kick down. So much for my dual clutches. He kicked down quicker than this did. He's miles ahead. Oh my God, your car kicked down quicker than mine. I thought this would be quicker.
That kick down for me felt like a lifetime, so it must have been really long for you.
It is really long for me, actually. It's genetic, I think.
We can't all be blessed, can we?
He's got a tiny one. That's what his wife said. Okay, now we're going for a rolling race. Everything in sports. Manual mode for the gearbox. You ready for this? 3, 2, 1, go. Close up. Auto change, look. I'm doing nothing. I hate it when they do that. It's gone. Bye. Final challenge, we're going to do a brake test from 70 miles an hour. Reach the line, full emergency stop. Here we go, here's the line. That one. Oh, this is a bad day for me. Yeah, you won everything.
Yeah, it's not a fair contest though, is it really?
I actually thought it'd be a bit closer, especially the brake test.
The Cop 2s is on a hot now, so it's going to be a big difference in the braking. It's got bigger brakes. It's only 70 miles an hour, so yeah, it's not hard, is it?
That's another thing that your wife complains about.
Thank you for that.
I'm not winning any races, and I'm not winning any friends today.
Guys, sorry to interrupt. There's 2 planes landing. As long long as you stay where you are or come back further down here, Matt, you guys are okay, but track guys, can you please step away from the runway?
I'll continue then. Also, as ever, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss any videos when I get strangely interrupted by the walkie-talkie and the car saying things like no data for this area just randomly and beeping. I mean, who want to miss that, eh? Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Matt Watson Cars. Find out what I'm getting up to with my BMW M3 daily driver.